Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite bling instructor, Blossom and Jasmine. And today I just wanted to show you this really quick tutorial on how I blinged out these baby shoes that I made for Super Scent. Super Scent just had a baby last year, a little baby girl named Leah. So I blinged out these shoes for her. If you guys have not already, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you to everyone that has recently subscribed. I see my numbers literally go up every single day. So if you're one of those people and you're watching my videos, just wanted to say thank you. Some people unsubscribe, but they come back anyways. So the purpose of me doing this video is not really to talk about the shoe, but I really want to figure out what are my subscribers' needs. So I need you guys' help. In the comments, definitely let me know what you prefer to see on my channel. Because I know what I like, but I mean, I'm not the only person that I want to watch this video. So tell me what you want to see. What are your favorite things that I've made? What is your preference? Would you like to see tutorials, or you're not really into bling? You like to see what the finished product looks like only? I kind of want that type of feedback. You know what I mean? Do you think my tutorials are too long? Because me personally, I started to bling like 4.5 years ago. And when I started, nobody had tutorials on YouTube. Like, it was so hard to find tutorials. Now you can find kind of like janky tutorials, but I would never do a tutorial if it wasn't like with excellence. So what type of content do you guys want to see is really what I want to know. So leave that below. I really appreciate it. Again, if you haven't already, definitely like this video, subscribe, comment. I want you guys to follow me on my Instagram at Blossom and Jasmine. And I have another Instagram called Blossom University, which I haven't really been posting on, but that's really where I'm going to start posting on my bling tutorials, because I'm noticing that people that really just want to follow me don't care about the bling. They just want to see like stuff about me. So all my bling stuff will be at Blossom University. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I love you so much. Always, Blossom and Jasmine.